Use red yarn to create a slip knot and place it on the hook. To make the slip knot, create a loop over your hand, then feed the working yarn back through the loop and pull through. Place the hook through the center of the hair tie, with working yarn on the outside. Yarn over and pull the yarn through to the front. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Repeat steps 2 and 3 around the hair tie until there are 60 stitches. Slip stitch to join the first round of single crochet stitches. Cut yarn leaving about 5 centimeters. Change over yarn to orange tiger and single crochet into all the stitches. Repeat step 6 with all the yarn colors. Tie each yarn colors together and thread them through the scrunchie.